couchwasabi. So I'm here today at Eastwood Mall's annual Pet Blessing event. And today we will be having Caticorn as part of the event, Caticorn Dreams and Caticorn Pets. I will also be having a talk later at 8 p.m. So for now, let me just take you around the booth. So here's our booth for Caticorn Dreams and Caticorn Pets. So there's a play area for the pets. That's where I will be speaking later tonight. Here's Purina. I think the entrance is over there. So there are the booths. I think it's still early, so mamaya pa dadating yung mga tao. Probably after lunch. It's still very hot. The other booths are still setting up. Right there. And I'll see you guys later. At saka bundok, tahimik. Dito kasi maingay. Hi! Cute! Oh. So we spotted Mooty, or Mootrax, hanging out near our booth, and we invited him to just hang out in our booth. Mooty is one of the most famous Pinoy celebrity cats. He's a puspin, or what you call a rescued cat, and everybody loved him. So they have free anti-rabies. And everybody's just listening to the mass. When the whole gang is here. Shout out to everyone who came and checked out our booth. Remember, part of the proceeds of all Caticorn products are donated to an animal welfare organization here in the Philippines.
Hello everyone, I am Jirbie Go. I'm a certified aromatherapist from New York Institute of Aromatic Studies, and I own the brand Caticorn Pets. Sino dito cat owners? Yeah, so kasi ganito yan. In the Philippines, we are actually a dog-loving country. So it's normal that most people would have dogs versus cats. But This is why we're here to cater to cat lovers and also dog lovers. Category Pets as a brand is proud to tell you that all our products are safe from toxic chemicals and it's safe from preservatives. So we formulate our products all organic, all natural, and me together with my mom, who's a board certified pharmacist, we formulate all our products to give your pets the best kind of products that you can have. Today, I'll be sharing with you some grooming tips, especially for cats actually. Kasi it's a common misconception that cats are not required to be bathed or to be groomed. Mali yun. Dapat pinapaliguan sila at least once a week because it also helps get rid of yung mga loose fur and it also helps them from having fur balls. Do you guys bathe your cats? Yeah, that usually when you're joining us naman, yan, sila Milky, hi! Usually naman, when you are joining these events, dapat talaga pinapaliguan. Normally lang in the common household, akala ng mga tao hindi pinapaliguan yung cats. And that, while grooming them, make sure that pinapaliguan sila during sunny day, kasi mabilis silang ginawin. These are small pet bodies, kaya medyo hindi nila kaya i-control yung temperature ng body nila. So just make sure when you bathe your cats, even for dogs, especially for small dogs, like toy poodle or mga chihuahua, just make sure to bathe them during a sunny day. Huwag yung mga medyo makulimlim. And if you need to bathe them during ulan, make sure to dry them agad. If you are looking for products that are totally safe for your cats, kasi most cat owners here are just contenting themselves of dog products that are present in the market. We at Danti Court Pets formulate all our products, think of your cats, and make sure that all the products and ingredients are safe, especially dilutively safe for them. And dog owners din kayo, right? I mean, for the cat owners here, they also own dogs. I just want you to remember that you should not use anything that has peppermint and tea tree for your cats, because those are toxic. Those two ingredients are commonly found on dog products, but should never be used for cats. There have been reports of liver toxicity and seizures for cats sa kakagamit ng tea tree and peppermint. So with Danti Court Pets, all our products are totally clear for your cats, and what's good about it is, pag okay siya for your cats, it's super safe for your dogs.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!